Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Look, if you've been searching for a way to build real, location-independent wealth, the source material we're digging into today is an absolute goldmine. We're breaking down a comprehensive guide to modern wealth-building strategies, specifically tailored for students looking ahead to 2026. We are going to look at 7 highly lucrative side hustles that are, quite frankly, creating absolute fortunes right now. So grab a coffee, get ready to take some notes, because we are looking at real success stories and the actual numbers behind them.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here's our roadmap for today: the modern student wealth path, content creation and AI, community and coaching, e-commerce and reselling, the power of copywriting, and finally, multiplying wealth with investing. Let's get to it.
All right, Section 1, the modern student wealth path. First up, we've got to talk about the elephant in the room regarding traditional money advice.
So I've got to ask you a pretty provocative question from our guide. Is a university degree still a guaranteed path to wealth? It challenges what it essentially calls the biggest lies sold to young people at age 18. You know the one, the school system and well-meaning parents totally drilling in this idea that a degree automatically equals financial security. But here in 2026, that's simply no longer the reality.
Now, don't get me wrong here. The source makes it crystal clear that studying isn't a waste of time. And hey, the university experience is unforgettable. But relying solely on a degree to make you rich, it's just a flawed approach. The absolutely essential modern vehicle for building a multi-million-dollar future is starting a side hustle, specifically one with the potential to scale globally.
Moving into Section 2, content creation and AI. This is our first major category of side hustles, leveraging algorithms and emerging tech.
Get a load of this number: $500,000. That is the monthly earning of a 16-year-old named Daniel Bitton who makes faceless short-form content on Snapchat. I mean, how is a teenager pulling in $500,000 a month? Well, he's actively capitalizing on the massive platform war currently raging between Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. These platforms are literally fighting tooth and nail for user attention, and they're paying creators huge money for original content just to keep our eyes glued to their apps.
Let's break down the scorecard for this faceless content hustle. Time to learn? That's a 4 out of 5. Why so high? Well, because while the video editing part is easy, mastering human psychology really isn't. You've got to figure out how to craft the absolute perfect hook and build to a payoff that maximizes watch time. But money needed is a 1 out of 5. You literally just need your phone and some internet. And the difficulty to make $1,000 a month? Also a 1 out of 5. Honestly, the platforms are handing out cash. You just need to be a fraction of a percent as good as Daniel to hit that $1,000 goal.
It's kind of crazy to think that right now we're just entering the early majority phase of our next massive opportunity: AI animation. A creator named Mercy is already making $8 to $10 a month just using tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney to pump out animations for big YouTubers. If you jump in and embrace AI right now, you put yourself massively ahead of the 50% of the population who are going to end up being late adopters or total laggards. Checking out the scorecard for AI animation, time to learn is 4 out of 5 stars. Even though AI is doing a lot of the heavy lifting, our source really emphasizes that you still need to learn core animation principles and spend real-time networking to get clients. Money needed is incredibly low at 1 out of 5 stars. The tools are just super cheap. And making your first $1,000, that's a 2 out of 5 in difficulty, mostly because the demand from online creators looking for premium video assets is just skyrocketing right now.
All right, on to Section 3. Community and coaching. Let's shift gears from algorithms to monetizing human connection.
$15,000 a month. That's what 19-year-old Chris Peters is pulling in by building and managing Discord servers. Discord is this all-in-one communication hub that has completely exploded beyond gaming into regular businesses and communities. And here's the trick. It's complex enough to totally confuse older generations, but intuitive enough for a younger, tech-savvy student to master in an afternoon. By stepping in to bridge that gap, Chris literally built a $15,000 a month business while he's still sitting in class.
So the Discord building scorecard shows the time to learn is a pretty moderate 2.5 out of 5 stars. You can grasp the basics in a few hours, though setting up the complex automations does take a bit longer. Money needed? 1 out of 5. Just use your computer. And difficulty to make $1,000 a month? A total 1 out of 5. Think about it. If you land just 4 clients on a $250 monthly retainer just to manage their communities, boom, you've instantly hit that $1,000 milestone.
Let's move on and see how this naturally builds into the world of one-on-one consulting, like online coaching. Our source highlights Jack Jefferson, who actually quit his $70,000 corporate job in London because his online fitness coaching hit $7,000 a month, giving him complete location freedom. And notice his workflow. Instead of selling some generic video course, it's highly personalized, in-depth onboarding, custom plans, and regular video check-ins. Taking your existing skills and packaging them with high personalization is an absolute goldmine today.
The online coaching scorecard reflects this beautifully. Time to learn is only a 2 out of 5 because, well, you already possess the skill you're teaching, right? You just need to learn how to package and sell it. Money needed is 1 out of 5, laptop and Wi-Fi. Difficulty to make $1,000? 1 out of 5. The absolute key takeaway from the source here is that people really value convenience. They'll happily pay you a premium to be guided hand in hand rather than reading a book and trying to figure it out themselves.
Section 4. E-commerce and reselling. Stepping away from digital services into the crazy world of physical luxury goods.
Yeah, you read that right. £7.2 million. That's the revenue generated by Ben Gallagher's business, Lux Collective, reselling luxury items like Louis Vuitton, Dior, and Chanel. This is a $39 billion global market driven entirely by a growing millennial population and a social media culture that is just obsessed with flexing designer labels. And thanks to the internet, you have instant access to a global marketplace of eager buyers from day one.
But let's do a reality check with the luxury reselling scorecard. Time to learn is a steep 4 out of 5. You have to meticulously study the stitching, the scents, the materials. They even use microscopic lab tech in New York to spot fakes, because selling one single fake ruins your entire reputation. Money needed is 3.5 out of 5, since buying secondhand bags can literally cost thousands up front. However, difficulty to make $1,000 a month? That's a 1 out of 5. The profit margins are so insanely massive that you can hit that $1,000 goal by flipping just one single luxury item.
Section 5. The power of copywriting. Time to pivot to a foundational skill that takes zero startup capital but immense mental focus.
$50,000 for a single web page. A copywriter named Adam currently earns over $10,000 a month, but top-tier copywriters can command up to $50,000 for just one page of text. Why so much? Well, it's all about value and leverage. As the source explains it, a copywriter is basically a salesman in print. If the words you write on a page can double a business's monthly sales from $200,000 to $400,000, well, paying you $50,000 for that script is an absolute no-brainer for the client.
The scorecard here is fascinating. Time to learn? It's a 5 out of 5, not physically, but mentally. In our crazy, notification-heavy world, the ability to achieve a deep flow state and focus for long periods of time is practically a dying skill. If you can master that focus, you are golden. Money needed is 1 out of 5. Any cheap laptop works. And difficulty to make $1,000? 1 out of 5. Once you learn the psychology of selling through words, making $500 an hour is entirely achievable.
Finally, Section 6, multiplying wealth with investing. This is where we turn that fast cash into long-term wealth.
So the absolutely crucial point here is how you handle your profits once you make them. The creator of our source material actually makes around $117,000 a week. And he doesn't do it by gambling on individual flashy stocks. He does it through the incredibly consistent power of automated investing. The strategy relies on dollar-cost averaging, meaning you consistently buy into the market whether it's up or down, and leveraging index funds, like the S&P 500, which has averaged an 11% annual return over the last decade. You set it up, automate it, and just let it run quietly in the background.
This final scorecard for investing is honestly beautiful in its simplicity. Time to learn? 1 out of 5. Once you understand the basic terminology of passive income and index funds, the apps literally automate the rest for you. Money needed? 1 out of 5. You can start with literally just $1. Difficulty to make $1,000? 1 out of 5, because your money is doing the working for you. Investing should always run parallel to whatever active side hustle you choose.
So, we've covered 7 incredible paths today, from faceless content and AI animation to Discord building, coaching, luxury reselling, copywriting, and the undeniable power of compound investing. The tools and the global market are literally right at your fingertips. So I gotta leave you with this question. Will you wait on the sidelines and be a laggard, or will you choose a path from today's explainer and start building your multi-million-dollar future right now? The choice is completely yours. Keep learning, stay focused, and we'll see you in the next explainer.